Hello kids, today we will learn to read E sound word. E says a, D says da, ada, ad family. B says ba, E says a, D says da, ba ada bed, bed means bistar. W says va, E says a, D says da, va ada ved, ved means शादी करना. F says fa, E says a, D says da, fa da fed, fed means खिलाना. R says ra, E says a, D says da, ra da red, red means लाल. Next family, E says a, N says na, N family. H says ha, E says a, N says na, ha na hen, hen means murgi. P says pa, E says a, N says na, pa na pen, pen means kalam. D says da, E says a, N says na, da na den, den means gufa. T says ta, E says a, N says na, ta na ten, ten means ten.